What's up? What's up? What's up? It's your boy Sheldon back with another video. Hey man, if it's your first time tuning in, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, drop a comment in the video. I'm gonna say it again, drop another comment in the video. But today's video is gonna be like a quick update. I did do something on my wheels. I'm gonna show y'all that in just a minute. But it's nothing too major. Temporary look. Maybe not. I've been getting some more ideas on what I want to do. But other than that, it's been work, and more work. I've been dropping shorts, yes, but I'm trying to get back on the vlogging. But with the days getting shorter now because of the time change. So like right now it's getting dark at freaking like 5:30. But like I said, if this is your first time tuning in, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on that post notification bell. Follow me on Instagram at ImpalaBoy _Sheldon. That's Impala_boy_Sheldon 3.6. My bad, brain fart. But holiday season is here. It's November. What's y'all's favorite holiday? Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's. Drop in a comment what your favorite holiday is. But other than that, I'm sure y'all already see this car and I hear me talk about the freaking holidays. But so let me get out and show y'all the car. Painting my stock wheels black. I do have to do another coat. I'm gonna go back over them on the outside and on the inside of it. I'm gonna get some new lug nuts because, like y'all can see, I got paint overspray on some of them. But we did do all four. My car dirty as always. I'm gonna detail it one day. I went with a gloss black spray paint. I did like 1 or 2 coats to start out. So I don't know how much paint I was gonna have to use. But drop in the comments, man. Tell me what y'all think. I do have to clean the car, but I'm gonna do another video once I get the car cleaned up. But tell me what y'all think, man. Subscribe to the channel. Hey, what y'all think about this too? What y'all think about black exhaust tips? I do want to get 5-inch tips and change my exhaust out to MagnaFlow or maybe Flowmaster. Still undecided, like y'all already know. Still undecided, but what y'all think? Black exhaust tips. You're gonna get new tail lights. Been looking at them. Things expensive. I do want to get the trunk with the wing. That's another thing. So yeah, new tail lights on the way to match the all black look. And I'm gonna get new headlights too to go with that look as well. I found some on Amazon, but if y'all got any other links with some on there, let me know. But yeah, my car is dirty, like always. I'm gonna get it clean. It really don't look that bad. You stand off. I'm lying, it do look that bad. But it's just a quick little video. Get a new hood on it. Thought about riding around with no hood, but I ain't gonna do that on y'all. Like I said, this is a project car, so y'all know what come with that. I ain't in no rush. It's not a daily driver, so y'all get the picture. But let me know what y'all think, man. Drop in the comments what y'all think about the all black wheel look. All right, y'all, I'm back, man. Y'all drop in the comments. It wasn't a long video, I know, but y'all drop in the comments. I just wanted to show y'all the car. Got y'all opinion on whatever, on the wheels and all of that. Tell me what y'all think, man. Drop in the comments. I got more videos coming. I am about to start getting some stuff. I know I say it all the time, but I'm for real. I'm about to start getting stuff because I got my idea what I want to do now. I think I want to do, also try to learn how to do the body work as well. And then I'm going to go get it painted somewhere else. I'm not going to do the painting. But I am going to get it painted back black. So y'all drop in the comments. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel. And let me know what y'all think about the wheels. Yay or nay. And I think I am gonna go ahead and paint the brake calipers red. Y'all drop in the comment, let me know what y'all think. Other than that, that's in the video. Till the next video, ImpalaBoy, I'm out.